everyone, welcome back. This is Neenah from Crescent Creation. Today's video is a part of a YouTube hop for grads of Team Tiny. It's a hashtag driven hop and the theme is spooky or Halloween. Today's card is a one layer card if you ignore the die cut layers, and this card design is inspired by one of the cards that Nicole Spore made just a few weeks back. I really loved that design of hers and I wanted to try it on my own. So here I am and I'm so happy that I tried it. It looks fabulous. I really enjoyed creating this card. I hope you do too. So here I have this white panel die cut out of one of the dies from Mama Elephant Slim Film City dies. And these images are from the stamp set Frightful Fun from Simon Says Stamp. So here I'm stamping few of the images from the stamp set using Stormy Sky ink pad from GINA Designs. This is a dye ink, and since I'm going to use Copic Markers to color my images, this will just work perfectly. I stamped these couple of times to get a crisp image. Now I'm going to stamp these images on masking paper from Simon Says Stamp. I want to stamp few of the sentiments from the stamp set overlapping these images. So that's why I need masking paper to mask away these images while I'm stamping the sentiments. Off camera I have fuzzy cut my masks. I did not cut my skeleton and pumpkin masks all the way through, as only small parts of them are going to overlap with the sentiments, and I did not want to waste my time fuzzy cutting the whole image. Here I'm just planning how I want my sentiments on the front panel. I wanted only the big bold sentiments to overlap with the images. Small phrases are too tiny to be overlapped. Once I'm happy with the placement of the sentiments, I'm going to use Wild Lilac ink pad from GINA Designs to stamp my big sentiments. I'm stamping them few times until I get crisp image. Once done, I'll work on those tiny phrases. I'm stamping these using Soft Stone ink pad from GINA Designs. When planning this layout, I did not want to add any black to it. That's when I thought I should use shades of grey to stamp the images as well as the sentiments. And luckily I had these shades of grey from GINA Designs. And they work perfectly for this design. Here I'm stamping the moon from the same stamp set using honey mustard ink from GINA Designs. Next I'm stamping the candy corns. I wanted them scattered all over my panel, but I also wanted one of the candy corn to be in the skeleton's hand. And since I had the mask in place for the skeleton, it was easy for me to stamp the candy corn in his hand. In its hand, or it's his hand. Tell me in the comment section below what you would say, his or its. Okay, lastly stamping stars in two sizes all over the panel using honey mustard ink from GINA Designs. And we're almost done. We just have to color these images and then our card panel will be ready. I'm doing very simple coloring here. There I tried to make the ghost a little transparent by using a lighter shade of purple to create that end that's overlapping with the ghost. I like the look of it quite a lot. I've sped up the coloring video here. It's pretty simple coloring and I did not want to keep you here for this. But if you're interested in the color combinations of the Copic markers used, they are listed on the screen. I'm really liking how this whole card turned out. I think I'm gonna try this again soon with a different stamp set. Even with all the fussy cutting of the mask, this card came along faster than any of my cards. I'm loving the one layer look of it. Even with just a layer, you have so much of dimension in this whole scene. This is definitely not my style. I have never created a card like this before, but I think I'm really liking it, and I might want to work on it and create more such designs because they are easy to create. They look super good and they're fun. I'm almost done coloring here and I must say I'm so happy that I created a card within an hour. Tell me in the comment section below if you like this design and if you would want me to create more such designs for you. Here I have die cut a scalloped panel from Wild Lilac cardstock from GINA Designs using Mama Elephant Slim Film City dies, and I've layered it on top of a slimline card base that measures 8.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Lastly, glued my top panel using some strong double-sided tape. Now using my white gel pen, adding highlights to all the images. To finish off, adding some glitter to the stars and moon using my Stardust glitter pen. So this is it for today. Click the hashtag below to watch all the videos in this hop. Here are a few more videos that you might like to watch. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.